ay kasama natin ang iginagalang pinakamabait at pinakamagaling na Speaker ng Kongreso ng Pilipinas, Batangas 2nd District. Ang ating pasasalamat at pagmamahal iparinig sa pamamagitan ng pinakamalakas na palakpakan sigawan!
Honorable Congresswoman Attorney Jermel J.K. Beatriz on the way.
Larga Batangas 2nd District! Nahihinaan ako doon. Gusto ko yung pinakamalakas. Larga Batangas 2nd District! Pinakamalakas na palakpakan sigawan sa ating distrito! You may take your seat. Maraming salamat po. At kayo'y naririto. Truly, we are one in welcoming Quadcom and our dearest Speaker, Martin Romualdez. Palakpakan po ninyo ang ating distrito. Sa lahat po ng taga-Mabini, nasa ng taga-Mabini? Yeah! Sa ating mga kababayan sa Bawan, kababayan from San Pascual, kababayan from San Luis, kababayan from Lubok, and of course we have an island municipality. Nasan po ang taga-isla ng Tingloy? Yehey! Maraming salamat po sapagkat kumpleto ang ikalawang distrito ngayong tanghaling ito. I wish to remind you of one of my important and favorite sayings. Ang palagi ko pong sinasabi, if Muhammad cannot go to the mountain will go to Muhammad. Ngayong tanghaling ito, we are all witnesses. Hindi ko man po kayo lahat madala sa Kongreso. Kayo ang saksi. Kongreso na ang dumating dito sa ating distrito. And I wish to express my enormous thanks and gratitude sa ating pong mga kasama sa Quad, because all of you know the history of Beatrix. With all due respect, kandidatong Congresswoman 2022, wala mang nakasamang kapitan at mayor noon, ipinaglaban at iniluklok ng taong bayan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kababayan. But of course, we acknowledge the presence ng ating mga mayors na naninindigan na sa Beatrix ngayon. I wish to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Mayor of Tingloy, Mayor Larry Alvarez. Palakpakan po natin. The Mayor of San Luis. Let us give a round of applause for the Honorable Mayor Oscarlito Hernandez. Kasama din po natin our incumbent Vice Mayor, soon to be Mayor of San Pascual, Honorable Lynn Castillo. And of course, ang ating pong konsehala ng bayan at mga minamahal na kapitan ng bayan ng Bawan. Can we request them to please rise? Public officials of Bawan, Konsehala Trix Abraham, bayan ng Bawan, palakpakan niyo po sila. I wish to acknowledge as well ang bayan ng Lubok. Of course, naririto po ang ating kasalukuyang Vice Mayor and soon to be Mayor as well. Palakpakan po natin Vice Mayor Ibong Alfiler. I wish to save the best for last. Ang taong nasa likod ng mahal kong Mayora, ang nag-iisang John Lloyd sa buhay ng Congresswoman. And of course, ang magbabalik na Mayor pasalamatan ang ating mga panauhin ngayon sapagkat si Beatrix, baguhan, beginner, neophyte, pero tinanggap, tinangkilik at sinamahan ng ating highly respected members of the 19th Congress who truly inspire me in my engagements in different committees and ultimately sa inaabangan ninyong lahat, ang Quadcom. Kayo ba sumusubaybay sa Quadcom? Taas ang kamay na sumusubaybay sa Quadcom. Malakas na palakpakan sigawan para sa Quadcom. At syempre po, ito pong husay at galing ng Quadcom na ito ay binubuo ng aking mga boss doon sa Kongreso. As I have shared before Quadcom, si Beatrix po, member ng Dangerous Drugs. Chairman ko, si Chairman Ace Barbers. Si Beatrix po, Vice Chairman ng Public Accounts. Chairman ko, ang ating pong napakagiting Congressman Caraps Paduano. And then I was deputized by our Senior Deputy Speaker Don Gonzales to join Public Order kung saan naging chairman ko po, Chairman Dan Fernandez. And then I was about to be deputized in the Human Rights Committee, kaya lang we agreed about the commonality of issues, circumstances, and persons which lead us to creating what we call now Quadcom. Sa kanila pong lahat, wala akong itulang kabigin. Sila po lahat ay mga iginagalang, batiga, veterano, at magagaling na congressman. And truly, kung ano pong nakikita nyo sa akin, that is a product of inspiration of all my colleagues in the Quadcom. Kaya palakpakan po natin ang Quadcom. Of course, the rest of the Coms, Kong Johnny Pimentel, Kong Romy Ako, Kong Keith Flores, and Kong Rog Gutierrez. Sila po'y matagal ko na nakakasama. But of course, our ties deepened the moment we started our engagement as members of the Quad Committee. But you have to realize, whatever you are witnessing right now, ay hindi po mangyayari without the leadership of the best ever Speaker of the Congress of the Philippines. At ito po ang palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, kung bakit bumabagyo at bumabaha ng biyaya sa 2nd District, it is because of our dear Speaker. So once again, let me state my lines. Kaya may AX dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may AKA dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may tupad dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may mga barangay road dahil ni Speaker. Kaya may patubig dahil ni Speaker. At kaya may groundbreaking ngayon dahil ni Speaker. I understand, wala pong perpektong gobyerno. Tama? Tama? Walang perpektong gobyerno. But one thing I can assure you, sa panahon ng ating Pangulo, sa panahon ni President Bongbong Marcos, sa panahon ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, correct me if I'm wrong, bumaha at bumagyo ng biyaya dito sa ikalawang distrito ng ating Pilipinas. I do not want to prolong my message dahil mas gusto ko i-enjoy nyo ang bawat salitang mapapakinggan nyo sa aking mga kasamang congressman and most of all, sa leader ng Kongreso, the Speaker of the People. No? That is his concept of the Congress. It is not the House of representatives. Instead, it is the House of the People. At karangalan ko po na ngayong tanghaling ito ay kasama natin ang iginagalang, pinakamabait at pinakamagaling na Speaker ng Kongreso ng Pilipinas, Batangas 2nd District. Ang ating pasasalamat at pagmamahal iparinig sa pamamagitan ng pinakamalakas na palakpakan sigawan! Before I end, I wish to acknowledge the presence of all PNP personnel, all personnel and officials from DepEd, and of course all our partners from the Department of Public Works and Highways. Indeed, this is a collaboration of important agencies which we are giving life already through the leadership of our very dear Speaker. Once again, maraming salamat po sa Quadcom at higit kay Speaker Martin Romualdez. Malakas na palakpakan!